Hello everyone! Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are. My name is Gusti Reijugni, and today I will get you through our mathematics lesson about geometric transformation. Before we start, I hope all of you are doing well and feeling excited to learn mathematics today. In this video, we are going to learn several types of geometric transformations, such as translation, reflection, rotation, and dilatations. Don't worry, I will explain them step by step using simple example so they are easy to understand. After this introduction, I will display the PowerPoint presentation on the screen. Please pay close attention to every explanation and example because they will help you understand the material better. Also, I want this lesson to feel interactive, even though we are learning online. So, whenever I ask a question, don't worry to answer in the comment section below, okay? Alrighty, students, let's begin our lesson. Okay, everyone, today's topic is geometric transformation. In mathematics, transformations are very important because they help us understand how shape can move, rotate, flip, or change size on a coordinate plane. Please prepare your notebook if you want to take notes during the lesson. Let's continue to the learning object. Before learning some things, we need to know our goals first. After studying these lessons, students are expected to explain the definition and types of geometric transformations, calculate the coordinates after transformation, draw shape after transformation, and solve problems related to geometric transformation. By the end of this lesson, I hope all of you can identify its type of transformation correctly. Quick question of have you ever seen object move, rotate, or reflect like a mirror in real life? Drop your answer in the comment section. Now let's discuss the meaning of geometric transformation. A geometric transformation is a change in the position or size of an object on a coordinate planes. The object can move, flip, rotate, or become bigger and smaller. For example, sliding a book on a table is called translation. Looking at yourself in a mirror is a reflection. Turning a steering wheel while is rotation. Zooming in a photo is dilatation. So actually, transformation are very close to our daily life. Can you mention another example of transformation in every life? Try to answer in the comment below. There are four main types of geometric transformation. They are translation, reflection, rotation, and dilatations. Each transformation has different characteristics and formulas. We will learn them one by one, starting from translation. Translation means moving or shifting an object from one place to another without changing its shape or size. The object only moves horizontally or vertically. For example, move right, move left, move up, and move down. Please remember, uh, positive x means move right. Negative x means move left. Positive y means move up, and negative y means move down. Very simple, right? Now let's look at the translation formula. For point A, xy, after translation T, E, B, the new coordinate becomes, that means add A to the x coordinate and add, add B to the y coordinate. For example, if a point moves 3 units right and 2 units up, we add 3 to x and add 2 to y. Please remember this formula because it is very important. Now, let's study the example. Now, let's study for the example. The blue triangle is translated into the red triangle. The triangle moves 5 units to the left, 2 units upward. So the translation is t minus 5, 7. Let's look at point A, 6, 1. Using the formula, we get x becomes 6 minus 5 equals 1. Y minus y plus 7 equals 8. So the new coordinate is A1, 8. Now, student, try to calculate point B by yourself first before looking at the answer. Did you get the same result? Write yes in the comment section if you understand translation. Next, we will learn about reflection. Reflections means flipping an object across a line, just like seeing your image in a mirror. The object changes difference, but the size and the shape remain the same. The line used for reflection is called the line of symmetries. Reflection can happen across the x-axis, across the y-axis, across the line y equals x and another line. Here are several reflection formula. For example, reflection across the x-axis, reflection across the y-axis. Please observe carefully. Reflection across the x-axis change the side of y. Reflection across the y-axis change the side of x. This is a very common question in mathematics exercise. So make sure you remember it. Besides reflecting across the axis, we can also reflect across other line. For example, reflection across y equals minus x, reflections across x equals h, reflection across y equals k. At first, this formula may look difficult, but if you practice often, they will become easier. Don't be afraid of formula. Try to understand the pattern slowly. Now, let's look at the example. The triangle is replaced across the y-axis. Look at point A11 because we reflex across the y-axis. We use this formula. The x coordinate change from positive to negative. So A11 becomes A negative minus negative 1, 1. Very easy, right? Now try this. If point P5 2 is a reflection across the y-axis, that is the new coordinate, please answer in the comment section. Next, we will study rotation. Rotation means turning an object around a fixed point by a certain angle. The object can rotate clockwise, counterclockwise. Please remember, positive angle usually rotate counterclockwise. Negative angles rotate clockwise. You can image the movement of a clock or a seven plate. Here are some important rotation formula. Rotation 8, rotation 90 degrees about the origin, rotation minus 80 degrees about the origin. Please pay attention to how the coordinates switch position. This is the key idea in rotation. Take your time to observe the pattern carefully. Now we also have a rotation by 180 degrees. The formula is both coordinate become negative. There are also formula for rotation around another point, not only the origin. These formula are useful for solving more advanced problems. Now, let's study the example. The triangle rotates 90 degrees counterclockwise around the origin. For point B, 4, 6, using the formula, the result becomes minus 6, 4. Very important. The coordinates switch place. The y coordinate becomes negatives. Student, please try this one. What is the result of rotating point 25 by 90 degrees counterclockwise? Pause the video first and try it by yourself. The last transformation is dilatation. Dilatation means enlarging or reducing the size of an object. Unlike translation, reflection, and rotation, dilatation changes the size of the figure. There are two important things in dilatation. The first one is the center of dilatation, and the second is the cell factor. If um, now let's see the formula. Dilatation about the origin. This means multiply x by k, multiply y by k. Very simple. For example, if k equals 2, all coordinates becomes twice outright. Now let's solve the example together. Point A11 is dilated with cell factor 2. Using the formula, we get x becomes 2 times 1 equals 2. y becomes 2 times 1 equals 2. So a to 2. Is it right? Now your turn. If point 3 4 is dilatation by cell factor 2, what is the result? What your answer in the comment? Alright, student, we have reached the end of the lessons. Today we learned about translation, reflection, rotation, and dilatation. I hope this lesson helps you understand geometric transformation better. Thank you so much for learning together with me today. Before ending the lesson, here is a short question for all of you. Which type of geometric transformation do you think is the easiest to understand and why? Now, please answer in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more mathematics lessons. See you in the next lesson. Stay healthy, stay motivated, and keep learning mathematics. Thank you and goodbye, everyone.